Hi, Michael Glennon from Glennon Capital. Today I'm going to give you an update on GC1. It's coming up to 12 months since we listed the company. We're very happy with the performance. The portfolio has returned to date on a gross level about 22%. The NTA that we last announced was $1.12 and the share price has been hovering around $1, which is slightly disappointing, but it's also understandable given that the options that are coming up to their expiration date on the 18th, there are some people who are converting options and selling shares to do that, so it's putting a little bit of pressure on the share price. However, in our view, it's a good buying opportunity. Some of you have noticed I've bought some stock last month because I just sort of figured with $1.12 NTA and a share price at $1, it's a good buying opportunity. We've also announced that we're paying a 3-cent fully franked final dividend, which when you include the interim dividend that we declared earlier in the year, that takes us up to about a 5.5% gross yield, including the franking, so we're happy with that. And we did also indicate that we would be substantially increasing that 0.75 interim dividend for the full year. So I can't give specific guidance on that, but we do have enough profit reserve to be able to pay a substantially increased dividend over what we declared in the first half. In terms of where we're trading now, this is the largest discount that the stock has traded at relative to the NTA. As I said, the shares are trading around $1 as we've recorded this, and the NTA is $1.12. So as I said, look, we're optimistic about the future. The portfolio is well positioned. We're very comfortable with the small company space. We don't think that valuations are overstretched at all. Most of you will have recently received paperwork in the mail, which is your option exercise form. There's two things you can do with that if you want to exercise your options. You can post a check to the registry, or you can complete BPay. BPay is a slightly easier process to go through. You will have two forms that received. You can fill out either one of those forms. There was a small administrative error, which is why you received two, but either form is valid and will work for you to exercise your options. But that does need to be done prior to the option exercise, the option expiry, which is the 18th of August. Those options, if you did want to sell them on market, although there is not much of a market for them at the moment, they stop trading on the 12th of August, so you need to make sure if you are going to try and sell your options, or conversely if you want to buy some options on market and exercise them, that you do that before the 12th of August. That's about it for the moment, and we look forward to talking to you next week. Thank you.